Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Graphics Guide. In this tutorial, we will learn how to make a logo like this. So, without any further ado, let's get started. At first, we need a circle. Okay, and none this fill color. Select this circle. Go to Edit option. Copy and paste in place. Hold Alt plus Shift and increase the circle size. Select those circles and go to Object, then make a blend. Now take Blend option and disperse 2 steps. OK. Select all circle. Hold Alt plus Shift, copy and adjust this circle. Again hold Alt plus Shift, copy and adjust this circle. Now select all the circles and take Shape Builder tool. Go to Object and expand. None stroke color, pick up the fill color. Now draw your design carefully. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you learned something from this video, then like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon for more updates.